So the technological side is absolutely indispensable. We really need the ability to quantify, and with some of the new tools, some of the new AI tools that are available with deep neural networks, give us the ability to process the data we've already collected and to pull out really useful and interesting nuggets from that information. However, it's all fairly useless unless you're in the field observing these animals, because you have to know what they're doing. If you don't know what they're doing when they're making these sounds, it's very difficult to draw any conclusion about what those sounds mean. Are two individuals interacting in a positive way or a negative way? Are they competing? Are they cooperating? Are they cooperating to hunt? Are they fighting over food? There's so many different possibilities. And when you think about our communication, if you were just to hear, I don't know, this podcast on another planet without any context at all, it would not be possible to understand what was going on. You need that context. You need to be able to see what's happening. And I think this is perhaps one of the areas in which people's expectations are a little too high. You can't really understand what's going on with animals just by analyzing their sounds. You've got to get out there and you've got to see what they're doing. Preferably perform experiments, present them with different stimuli and see how they respond. But at the very least, to observe the animals in the wild and see them behaving in the wild.